Hello guys, and welcome back to our channel. Today we're diving into the best Bank of America credit card you can get in 2024. First up, the Bank of America Customized Cash Rewards Credit Card. This card is a top choice for many because it offers 3% cash back in your favorite category, like dining or travel, and 2% at grocery stores. Plus, you'll earn a 1% on all other purchases. No annual fees, which makes it even better. But that's not all. There's a fantastic introductory offer where you can earn a cash bonus after making a qualifying purchase in the first 90 days. When choosing a card, consider your spending habits. If you often spend on groceries or dining out, this card is the perfect fit for you. If you want more details, you can check the Bank of America credit cards page so you can find a card that suits your needs more. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips on managing your finances. See you next time.